almost as if you're washing your skin with it. Be generous. Just rub it on your skin. And once this is done, you're gonna sit with this on your skin for at least 30 minutes. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to share a refreshing facial mask with you. As a matter of fact, let me reach for the facial mask. This is a very hydrating facial mask that will seep into the skin, plump the skin up, firm the skin up, and leave the skin with a natural glow. I use natural ingredient in this, ingredients that contains vitamin A, vitamin B, and vitamin C. Now these vitamins and minerals are great to use on the skin topically. When you apply it to the skin, your skin will look much fresher and more tighter because it helps to boost the collagen production in the skin. Your skin will look spotless because it helps to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation and blemishes once you use it on a regular. Also, it's a very light and refreshing mask, so it's good to use when the time gets warm as it is now, or if you live somewhere where it is warm without missing out on all the wonderful and amazing properties of this facial mask. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this amazing facial mask and also how I use the facial mask, follow me to the kitchen. I'll show you how to make it, and then we're gonna come back and I'll show you how to use it on your skin for best results. Now our first ingredient is cantaloupe, and this is a form of a melon, and I will insert a picture right here for you to see what a cantaloupe look like. This is loaded with vitamin C. It also contains antioxidant that will brighten the skin, hydrates the skin, and guys, when you use this on your skin on a regular, it will leave the skin just looking fresh and younger. Now what I'm gonna do with the cantaloupe, I'm gonna be blending. If you do not have a blender, you can go ahead and you can grate the cantaloupe. So I'm just going to cut it in small pieces for easier blending. So just chop it in small pieces. And a little goes a long way. You really do not need a lot. Now once this is done, here I have my second ingredient, which is aloe vera gel, another amazing ingredient to use on the skin. If you're living somewhere where it's hot, or if you're experiencing summertime, this facial mask is the perfect mask for you. So I'm going to extract the aloe vera gel, which is pretty easy. You can choose to just cut it, or you can just peel it off like that. Quick start. And when you get to the other section, you can just use your finger like this and just extract the gel, or you can take a knife to remove the gel. So just extract your aloe vera gel. Make sure to get everything out. And once this is done, take a look at this. Here we have our fresh aloe vera gel. So right now we have aloe vera gel and cantaloupe. So we're gonna reach for our blender and we're gonna drop our aloe vera gel in the blender along with the cantaloupe. Just get everything in. And take a look. Now before we blend, we are gonna add a tablespoon of rose water to the mixture. Now rose water is very hydrating. You can use it as a facial toner directly on the skin, or you could mix it with other ingredients. Now we are going to blend all three together. Now after blending, we're going to strain. And here we have our blended cantaloupe and aloe vera. Very refreshing. Guys, you can use any watermelon in this, any kind you have, whether it is watermelon, cantaloupe, or honeydew. Just use the melon you have. I'm using 2 tablespoons of our cantaloupe honeydew mixture. And then I'm going to reach for some yogurt. Now, yogurt contains lactic acid, which will help to brighten the skin. It will also help to shrink large pores, clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, and leave the skin looking younger and fresher, and also give the skin a natural glow. And now I'm just going to blend the yogurt. And this is it. This is our 3-ingredient facial mask. If you're vegan, you can skip the yogurt and you can choose to use some soy milk in this or even some almond milk. It will get the job done. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour this in a container. Pour it out. This mask I recommend to use on your skin cold. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to chill. Once this gets in the refrigerator and it's chill, then it's ready to use. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to chill, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to use this on your skin for best results. You can choose to use a brush to apply this to the skin. You can even choose to pour it in your hands like this, rub it up in your hands, and just apply it on your skin. Just press it in the skin like I'm showing here. Just press it on the skin and take a look at what is happening. You can choose to apply it like that, or you can choose to use a facial mask sheet. If you're using a mask sheet, you just want to soak it up, and this is very cold and nice. You just want to soak. I love the mask sheet with this, guys. So just soak it up. Look at that. So rich, so creamy, so nice. So you just soak it up. And then you're going to remove the excess. And then you're just going to cover your face. Ooh, very cool, guys. You're just going to cover your face with your mask sheet. And you're going to just relax, lay back, and you're keeping this on your face for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to remove the mask sheet from your face, and you're going to rinse your face with some cold water. Just splash that cold water on your face. Pat the skin dry and apply your favorite beauty product. Now, if you're using your hands to apply it like I just did, you're going to leave it on your skin also for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you're going to go back and you're going to apply a second coat, and then you're going to go for another 15 minutes. Now, use this facial mask as often as you wish. 2 to 3 times a week, however, is recommended, but to each his own. I don't mind using it every day. And guess what, guys? You're on your way to amazing, beautiful, awesome looking skin. And after you rinse off, take a look.